Hello, here's a video on how to seal the waste toner cartridge. So this is the waste toner cartridge. This is a brand new one which has been put into this printer. When you take them out you have to seal these things, otherwise toner goes everywhere. However, working out how you do it is quite difficult. So let me show you. Here is one of these contraptions, and somebody has attempted to do it already. They've managed one successfully, so there, it's sealed around it. So they've done it, but there's a little bit where toner will leak out. And so this one, I have no idea what they've managed to do there. They've managed to detach it entirely. There's now no way that I can put that back. That bit I'm going to have to seal up with just my own tape. This one they haven't tried, which is good because I can show you how you do it. And this one, looks like they've looped it over and used a bit of broken tape to seal it down, but toner is just going to come out through this gap here. So let me see if I can undo that and get us back to where we need to be. Yeah, I think that's salvageable. So the way you do this, one hasn't been touched. The way that you do this, you don't do anything here. In fact, maybe it has been touched. I think it's been peeled up at that side. But anyway, we'll see how we go. So you take this tiny blue tab, and yeah, it's quite easy to accidentally pull the entire thing off. That's wrong. What it's doing there is wrong. There's black attached to that blue tab here. You need to separate it, which is going to be difficult while I'm filming. Right, there we go. So let's try this. So there's the black ring has stuck itself to the blue tab. So I'm manually undoing the black ring. Which needs to stay stuck down around this hole in the plastic. And there we go, we've almost done it. So the trouble is the rest of this has come unstuck. That needs to stay stuck around the edge here. There we go. Now the blue is not used. So now you hinge over and stick as neatly as you can that top black bit onto the bottom black bit and seal it in. And there we go. These blue bits you can either cut off or just leave there. That's how it stays. So I'll do the same thing again over here. Hopefully it won't have stuck to the underside. Yeah, see, that one's come away okay, but if you find that the black ring is staying stuck to this blue tab, then you need to slow down and use hands and basically detach the two so that that black ring stays attached to the waste toner. So pull all that, because they'd incorrectly attempted and detached it. It's not actually a problem in this instance, but normally that blue bit would stay attached. Fold it over as neatly as you can and as in alignment as you can, and then stick it down. So basically all the waste toner in here can now no longer come back up out of here. So that one's okay, that one's okay. This one, okay, this one might be salvageable. It looks like they tried to stick it down. They detached it. So yeah, I can probably salvage that. They've managed this one, but over here, just in the corner, it's not quite aligned, which means that toner is coming out, and I don't think it's easy to undo that, to realign it. So I'm going to have to stick just a bit of masking tape or something over that bit to stop toner coming out of there. And this one, let me see whether I can reattach it and then reuse it. So first off, detach the black ring from the blue. I'll see whether I can stick that black ring back around the hole where the waste toner has gone in, which it looks like I can. So that's good. So now we're back to the same position that all the other ones were in, where you have the blue tab that you pull. Hopefully the black ring doesn't come with it. Then carry on pulling, fold that over, and in as good alignment as you can, push it down around the edge. And there we go. And my hands were dirty from lots of dust anyway, but I do have some toner on my hands and on the back of my hand, on the back of my fingers. When washing toner off of your fingers, do not use hot water, because hot water or heat inside the printer is what fuses toner to the page. Use cold water, plenty of it, hopefully wash it off. However, Google for more advice on that. And there we go. So these Sharp printers are a real pain when it comes to changing the waste toner cartridges, but hopefully this video's helped. If it did, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing. Thank you very much.